Welcome to my channel Study Engine. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more study videos. Today we will discuss international organizations and their headquarters. Let's begin. Organization and their headquarters. United Nations Development Programme UNDP, headquarters is New York City, USA. United Nations Environment Programme UNEP, headquarters is Nairobi, Kenya. United Nations Population Fund UNPF, headquarters is New York City, USA. United Nations Human Settlement Programme and the headquarters is Nairobi, Kenya. United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF and headquarters is New York City, USA. World Food Programme WFP and headquarters is Rome, Italy. Food and Agriculture Organization FAO and headquarters is Rome, Italy. International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO and headquarters is Montreal, Canada. International Fund for Agricultural Development IFAD and headquarters is Rome, Italy. International Labour Organization ILO and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Monetary Fund IMF and headquarters is Washington DC, USA. International Maritime Organization IMO and headquarters is London, United Kingdom. International Telecommunication Union ITU and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO and headquarters is Paris, France. World Tourism Organization and headquarters is Madrid, Spain. Universal Postal Union and headquarters is Bonn, Switzerland. World Health Organization and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. World Intellectual Property Organization and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. World Meteorological Organization and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. World Bank and headquarters is Washington DC, USA. Joint United Nations Programme on HIV/AIDS and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. United Nations Institute for Training and Research and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Atomic Energy Agency and headquarters is Vienna, Austria. International Organization for Migration and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. World Trade Organization and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Trade Center and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. Council of the Baltic Sea States and headquarters is Stockholm, Switzerland. European Free Trade Association and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. G15 Summit and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. Inter-American Development Bank and headquarters is Washington DC, USA. International Atomic Energy Agency and headquarters is Vienna, Austria. International Committee of the Red Cross and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Court of Justice and headquarters is The Hague, Netherlands. International Development Association and headquarters is Washington DC, USA. International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation and headquarters is Queenstown, Singapore. Asian Development Bank and headquarters is Mandaluyong, Philippines. Association of Southeast Asian Nations and headquarters is Jakarta, Indonesia. Bank for International Settlements and headquarters is Basel, Switzerland. Central American Bank for Economic Integration and headquarters is Tegucigalpa, Honduras. International Finance Corporation and headquarters is Washington DC, USA. International Labour Organization and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Olympic Committee and headquarters is Lausanne, Switzerland. International Organization for Standardization and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Peace Bureau and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. International Seabed Authority and headquarters is Kingston, Jamaica. International Service for Human Rights and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO and headquarters is Washington DC, USA. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development and headquarters is Paris, France. Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and headquarters is Vienna, Austria. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) and headquarters is Kathmandu, Nepal. United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific and headquarters is Bangkok, Thailand. United Nations Environmental Programme (UNEP) and headquarters is Nairobi, Kenya. United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights and headquarters are Geneva, Switzerland and New York City, USA. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime and headquarters is Vienna, Austria. United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs and headquarters are Geneva, Switzerland and New York City, USA. World Federation of United Nations Association and headquarters are Geneva, Switzerland and New York City, USA. World Organization Against Torture and headquarters is Geneva, Switzerland. Worldwide Fund for Nature and headquarters is Gland, Switzerland. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.